When the home is flashing on the teach pendant, press the home button of the teach pendant or the home button of the machine. Then the soldering bit will return to the original position. To create or open a file, press Table, then press Enter, input the file's number to create or open the file. To set default parameter, press Menu 1, then you can get default parameters. Move the cursor to the non-record, press Menu 1, and press page down to page 3 to get clear solder iron. To end at a point, first, move the cursor to the non-record. Press X, Y, Z, or A to move or rotate the soldering bit to the point of the pad. Press T, speed, can change the speed, and it can be set as slow, medium, fast speed. When the soldering bit is in touch with the pad and the pin is in the center of the soldering bit, press Start and set the point to a group, so that each point in this group will share the same soldering parameters. We continue the previous operation until the last point on this PCB. To set the parameters for different groups, move the cursor to the group 1, press Enter, then the interface will pop out. Press number 3, change send solder parameter. In this interface, we mainly adjust the second send solder length and the second heat time in page 2, and the third send solder length and the third heat time in page 3. The third send length and third heat time can be less or equal to second send length and second heat time. After completing the programming, using Move To button on the teach pendant, you can check each point to see Send solder button to make sure the tin is ready. Press Start. The soldering robot will start to solder. Thank you for watching this video. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us.